lesidlako igcina isilimata vele emtimbeni on long term.
Yeah.
But ke yamukelekile na ubuka kwekuthi kwenteka emveni kwesikhathi lesidze ukuthi bese siyagula. Spain kani lona ubuye South Africa nalona ubuye South Africa.
Okay.
So lolo ubuye Malaysia, this one, it's actually both a liquid fertilizer and a livestock feed in one product.
And then you were saying, I think ngukhathile lana wathi kusebenta maybe 2 or 3 in a hectare.
2. Yeah.
2. Yes. So it's about you need 4.
You need 4
per hectare.
Yeah. Now our shop is branded Agric Organics.
People are now careful to pick
Absolutely.
what they eat. So one would then want to find out, you would see, how big is the farming community that we are talking about that is doing organic farming? And now are we able to then promote these products in the retail space as coming from organic farmers? Sinentokoto yokunemukela ehlelweni lethu asilimele Maswati nalamuhla siyajabula ukuthi sinethulela ihlelo lolusha lapho sikhuluma khona ngeorganic farming. Organic farming indlela yekulima leyenda ukuthi impilo tethu tibe ngcono. Sitawuva kabanti ke namuhla siniphathele umuntu lo uyatiko lendlela yaka organic farming ngasho kanjalo Mr. Sidney Kunene. Mr. Kunene siyajabula namhla ukuthi sikutfole utosikhulumisa ngalendzaba yalokulima lokwehlukile ngoba ngicabanga ukuthi kulima lokwehlukile lokho balimi bajwayele indlela yokulima le ndawo si traditional kepha kenyalo sesilima indlela lehlukile and wena ubelihlahla ndlela mhlambe nje sesingacala lapho ukuthi babe Kunene ufika njani nje kulendzaba yaka organic farming mhlambe ungasitshela na ngebackground yakho leyagcina ikulethe kuleli tiko la organic agriculture.
Okay, ngiyabonga kakhulu Mr. Mngadi. Basically, tertiary education yami vele ngiyende ku agriculture. I started by doing a certificate in agriculture, diploma, a degree.
Yeah.
So it's always been my passion vele indzaba ye farming. Lapho nangibona kusetshenziswa kakhulu lama chemical fertilizers kanye nema pesticides la synthetic ngavuleka emehlo uma ngibuka indzaba yekugula kubantu nekungcola kwe-environment that includes umoya nemanti nemhlabathi ngisaku-observe lokho I grew interest wekuthi nase ngiba aware ukuthi there is something called organic farming wekuthi uma umuntu angasosala ama organic farm inputs abe nendlela wa introduce awathengise eMaswatini, maybe that can help to reduce the pollution kwe-environment nasempilweni yabantu. So that's where I grew the interest in organic farming.
When did you in your career as an agriculturalist? Asesithi njoba usho ukuthi umuntu agriculture letiqu takho ufunze e-University of Eswatini. Mhlambe songaqala ngala kusinikela background leyo ukuthi kwendeke nini konke.
Okay, kusho ukuthi ngicede 89. Eliyengo, where I was doing a BSc. The final degree was a BSc in agricultural education.
Okay.
But as I was doing the program yami BSc, ngaba ne-interest ka business. More so because my grandfather was a businessman. Alima vele kakhulu. Then eSouth, eShiselweni eBheneza konjini.
Okay.
So ngisabuka lamasima lekhaya ne-equipment yasekhaya nangiceda isikolo ake eLuyengo ngahamba na anti wami wacela singumshayelele imoto siye trade fair eBotswana.
Okay.
Lasifika trade fair eBotswana where I had my first encounter with an organic fertilizer, which is basically this one.
Okay.
Lele ngala. Nangibathola labelungu babuye eSpain. Baya exhibitor trade fair eBotswana. Ngasunzelele lama products. Ngoba vele bekuyinto lebengivele ngiyithanza.
Yeah.
Ngibakhulumise labelungu bathi hayi banganginika a few samples to bring to Swaziland.
Muphi umnyaka ke phala?
That was ngicethe 89, that was 94.
Okay.
Yes. 94. Then ke ngibuye ke nale product locally nangifika nayo la, I gave it to a few farmers. It was very expensive though, but I gave it to a few farmers. They tried it out, they were very happy.
Yeah.
Ngimikise ngakuluhulumende. Uhulumende ke akhala ngekuthi bede equipment of testing the products ngoba it's both a fertilizer and a livestock feed. Lele ngalapha nje. It's a livestock feed. Lena it's a fertilizer.
All right.
So they try out with crops. They were very effective. Farmers were very excited. The element dabo. One farmer bekalima patata. Wathi lo patata ukhule kahle waba sweet and waba mkhulu, waba fresh. Nami ke lokho kwangijabulisa, but unfortunately kwabonakala ukuthi uhulumende uthi equipment, wathi uhulumende they can only do trials. Ngamnikise research lo fertilizer, research wahlala a full 5 years solo seshelfini. Bakhala ngekuthi solo abakhona kumsebenzi.
Test yeah.
Anyway, I understood hulumende ngumuntu omdzala, you know, and indlela takhona tithatha isikhathi vele ukuthi tisukume kahle. But ngase ngiyaqhubeka ke ngiyithengisa ngoba I had brought with me a few samples of the manure. Ngamthengisa nami ngamsebenzisa ngambona ukuthi uhamba kahle. From there ngase ngiyayikhulisa ke le range ema organic fertilizers. Ngase ngifaka nalo lolo green nalolo red wona ke ubuye eMalaysia, lona ubuye eSpain. Kani lona ubuye eSouth Africa nalona ubuye eSouth Africa.
Okay.
So lolo ubuye eMalaysia, this one, it's actually both a liquid fertilizer and a livestock feed in one product. Lona it's only a fertilizer. So maybe angati noma nguphendule kahle nembutweni wakho but nje you also asked about ukuchubeka kwami nekufundza.
Yes.
Ngisayisebenzisa le product lena ngoba ngicale ngalena vele iyodwa kanye nalala amanye ke ma synthetic farm inputs. Ngisawasebenzisa kwase kuvele opportunity ukuthi ngiye esikolweni ngiyofundza. And bekune drought kuleyo minyaka leyo ngabo 96. Ngayo esikoleni zosikwenza masters agriculture, I preferred the MBA at Jos. So I was away for about a year. After that year ngachubeka ngenta i-chartered marketer program ngakhona ngale Jos.
Okay.
Nangibuya eJos ngachubeka nalama products ami. Ngase ngithi within my business sengicala kwenta ne-consultancy, but because I had no experience, I would work, you know, with other experienced consultants.
Okay.
Lengeke ngithande kwabala ngemagama but bona bangadi. Some of the big consultants nje la kaNgwane ngasebenza nabo, I got the experience. Ngisachubeka ngisebenza nabo, iSwazi Bank offered me a job. Ngase ngene eSwazi Bank ngisebenza khona. La ngiseSwazi Bank I went further to do another masters now in development finance.
Okay.
Njengoba iSwazi Bank nje idilisha kakhulu ngedevelopment finance. So I went to Stellenbosch for that one. Mangibuya khona ke ngachubeka ngabuya sengisebenza eSwazi Bank because I was then recruited by iSwazi Bank. I served eSwazi Bank for about 6 years or so. Ngenza eStandard Bank for 6 months, and then I came back to my enterprise.
Yeah.
Uma ke ngiya eSwazi Bank, le enterprise yami I gave it to someone. Unfortunately, bekede kahle experience yayo kulama products.
Yeah.
Yasiyafadabala.
Yeah.
Ngathi no, one day I will go back to it. Ngoba bengathi ukuthi eSwazi Bank I'm just going there for a short time because I knew ukuthi as a consultant eSwazi Bank that time beyi-evolve beyibuta iSwaziland.
Yeah.
So I knew I would be there for about 6 years or so. Actually, bengisithi 5 years, but I ended up being there for 6 years. After which I came back to my enterprise, to consulting, and also to teaching on part-time basis, eLuyengo, nase Regent Business School.
Okay. Now, sibele ke kulama products lo wabe siyabuyela ko. I think the interest emlimu nje is that how effective are these products compared to the normal fertilizers, or you've said others are both fertilizer and feed. Now comparison njengoba Oceans labanye bawasebenzisa bawajabulela babona umkhiqizo lomkhulu but wena njengoba vele umuntu lo behind lo promoter lama products, yes, for the longest of time, what can you say about them compared to the normal products?
Well, synthetic fertilizers or granular fertilizers, in terms of productivity, high vele yawo compared to this.
Okay.
High, however, are expensive foods. Over and above that, I pollute the environment. It's a fact. So we see now growth the population globally. It needs to be supported by fertilizers that are very, very productive, effective in terms of umkhiqizo.
Yeah.
However, lama liquid fertilizers, organic as they are, sebawa improve le kangangokuba i-performance yawo. You can combine it nale granular fertilizer, but for purposes of organic farming, or organic farming, it's saying let us produce crops using healthy farm inputs.
Yeah.
Which is my passion and
Yeah.
what drove me, into this industry as an entrepreneur. I perform.
Yeah.
Personally, I'm happy with it. The information that I told from farmers is very positive. So, good choice emlimi, whether he wants to go for the synthetic fertilizer, which will pollute the environment, but also productivity is higher. But they are now competing with those in terms of productivity. Okay. I'm very confident because I already have a niche market with my organic fertilizers.
Yeah.
It's a niche market and it's growing, and I'm happy with that. However, to support the business, I also have, to stock lama synthetic farm inputs, normal lama chemical farm inputs.
Yini bungoti balama chemical farm inputs?
Okay, obviously ngilele ngushito ukuthi ayapollute environment and anema residual effects empilweni yemuntu. Ukuthi nje siyayidownplaya leyo siyikhulumi kakhulu ngoba kwenteka on long term. And ungathola ukuthi umuntu lophile maybe iminyaka leminengi, I cannot estimate because I'm not a medical doctor. I cannot even give you years ukuthi umuntu lophile 90 years ungathola ukuthi cumulatively lama chemical or synthetic farm inputs sekende bungoti lobungaka empilweni yakhe. I cannot estimate that, but it is a fact ukuthi le chemical lesiyidlako igcina isilimata vele emtimbeni on long term.
Yeah.
But ke yamukelekile na ubuka kwekuthi kwenteka emveni kwesikhathi lesithe ukuthi bese siyagula.
Slow poison.
I mean, everyone knows about that, lo dilisha ngalama products.
Yeah. Now ukhuluma ngenzaba ndawo yahulumeni yekubambisana nawe empeleni kule journey yokuintroduce lama products. Ukuthi you had that experience. Where are we now? Have these products been accepted by are they being promoted, for instance, by the Minister of Agriculture?
Thank you so much. The Minister of Agriculture, I must say, I support organic farming.
Yeah.
Even though equipment is so good, but now they are doing trials in all types of organic fertilizers in particular.
Okay.
Ngoba le livestock feed le organic is incane, ikhona yona incane. Njengoba ngishito nje ukuthi lena it's one of them, nalena isebenza both in crops and in animals.
Yeah.
Hulumende through ivet lena nje, because it cannot be tested in laboratory, bacele information bevet from where we buy this fertilizer, which is Spain. These two. Bacela yonke information relating to this product, ne information, ne evidence ukuthi in Spain, no matter where we are sourcing these organic fertilizers, lamave ayayisebenzisa internally for their own production. Leyo kuba evidence ukuthi they are not dumping their products into, you know, smaller economies like ours. Ngoba lama developed countries abanako lokuthi kube nento lenjengaleyo. However, lama World Trade Organization lagadza konke ungoti bako konke lokho sekwenta ukuthi kunciphe lokudampa kwemave lamakhulu emaveni lamancane. So the safety njengalawa nje are registered e-EU naseMerika. Kanti lawa e-Indonesia kulamave lawa avela sebenza kakhulu. E-South Africa ke these two vele ayasebenta. Yes. So government, I can say we support organic farming, and the crop of technicians who are at the research station, but willing, you know, to try them out. Itolo ekumadima. Bosi na ufika ingazuthi ungacela ubanika imbashanyana kucala ungaqhubeka nento yakho. So but these days I must say ukuthi, you know, the technicians are open to products, trying them out.
Mhlambe na umlimi ulalele uba ne-interest kulama products atholakala yini even lonke sengisho nje eSwatini atholakala kuphi?
Okay, in most farm input shops ngeke ngiwabite ngemagama bayawati balimi bayadada itolo letsengisa kwekulima balimi kunala lakhiwa la Kangwane mostly. Lakhiwa ngoba we have a lot of innovative local entrepreneurs labawakhako lama organic fertilizers. But I fear those because ngitele confidence yawo personally angisho ukuthi awasebenzi. I can try them out nami ngiwabone, but lawa ngiwathandza ngoba atestiwe abuya kuma developed economies. Atestiwe laboratory, atestiwe entiwa nema trials, you know, countrywide lapho atsamka khona lama products. So we don't, lawa ayatholakala kuletinye titolo ngoba le supplier yami iyatinika naletinye titolo because itsamke eSouth Africa nalawa. But these atholakala lapha ka-Agric Organics kuphela. We are the sole distributors of these and exclusive distributors of them.
So umuntu has to come to Manzini?
Umuntu needs to come to Manzini lapho sikhona khona, which is basically opposite Gulf filling station la bekanozidumo khona kadzeni. Before ufike kulama robot ekucala na uchamuke eMoneni. Nawenza nje la lifestyle kune Gulf filling station directly opposite Gulf filling station. Our shop is branded Agric Organics.
Ngiyabonga Mr. Nene. Sesitawati sonke.
Yes.
Sikhulumise indzaba ukuthi ke wasebenzisa njani uyabona nje 23222 mhlambe ngikha ngesandla noma ngikha ngesidikiselo sani abantu sebayadi ukuthi uapply kanjani. Lana ke kwentiwa njani?
Thank you so much, Mr. Mngadi. Let me start with this. Lapha ungasokhesha inhlanyelo, angithi nje in most organic fertilizers uyayisokhesha inhlanyelo before uyihlanyele, ikakhulu lama grains. Mbila, amabhontshisi, amantongomane. But ke lala bakhathi inhlanyelo, they then say uma songasahlanyeli ngakusasa le vigor of growth itawu affecteka. Kungako kumcoka ukuthi nawasokhishile namuhla in any organic fertilizer.
Okay.
Wohlanyele the following day or the following morning.
So ufuna uqala ubuke weather kuqala.
Icala ufuna ubuke le weather forecast because kuliciniso ukuthi nalitawulale emalanga lamanengi so isokhishile mhlambe yaseyoma because now ifake emantini nalenhlanyelo itayimunya lenhlanyelo. Nase kwenteka yoma emalanga lamabili lamathathu uphindze futhi uyihlanyele nevika yegrowth yale nhlanyelo bese yehla. So it's important ukuthi vele ucheck le weather forecast.
Okay.
Now after usokhishile wahlanyela ufuna nasekumilile ngidakhuluma generally nje with all organic fertilizers bese uyayispray. Uyispray ke lilanga lingaphumi
uyayasoka oqala.
Yes.
Bese uyahlanyela.
Hlanyele.
Umele kumile.
Yes.
Bese uspraya nini ke nasekumileni?
Uma emacembe generally I will say uma emacembe ala bo 3-4.
Okay.
Alesimo sakho. Ikakhulu kuleli similako ngoba lamanye ema crops njengama vegetables uplanta iseedling. Kanti kulamanye uplanta ihlanyelo. Vele uhlanyela lenhlanyelo. So na uhlanyele lenhlanyelo uma emacembe ang 3-4 you do your first spray.
Okay.
In some of them. Kulawa nje in particular lo green law. You then put 80 mils kule stickselo si calibrated le stickselo.
Okay.
You put 80 mils into 20 liters of water bese sprayer lamacembe.
O spray amacembe hayi lo mhlabathi.
Sprayer lamacembe kanti noma kwehle ngale plant stem kwale emhlabathini lamacembe I mean letimbanze tawujingetwa munye.
Okay.
Lama fertilizers sekale phansi emhlabathini. So spray lamacembe and you do it lilanga lingaphumi bekuthi lichakaze ngoba ilanga nalishisa kakhulu emacembe anestomata timbobo letiba la amacembeni dinengi la ngaphansi kwelicembe tikhona ke nala ngetulu but uspray nje la ngetulu it's not a problem and you do it lisibekele noma langa lisengaphumi noma sekushonile. I'm speaking generally.
Okay.
Uma ufaka le foliar spray uma utawuspraya lamacembe.
All right.
Yes.
Ukhuluma nge-cost comparatively what is lower than your standard fertilizers. How low is organic compared to
it would be very difficult to estimate because these are different organic fertilizers, different sizes, nalama nutrients kulama organic fertilizers
per hectare. How much money would I spend on fertilizer compared to your normal fertilizers, for instance?
Generally, per hectare, you would need something. I'm not so much of an agronomist. I'm just a general agriculturalist.
Yeah.
But I would say you would need a masaganje at 2.3, 2.37. Maybe you would need about 4 to 6.
Yeah.
Kanjalo ne 2, 3, 4, 40.
Yeah.
Around there. But in this case, with this one, you would need 2 of these
per hectare.
Okay.
Okay.
So you would need 2 per hectare.
Usikhumbude kuhlukene ngani lokho nalokho?
Okay. Lokhu kwe vegetative growth kukhulisa lamacembe nalesiqu netimbanzi.
Okay.
Kule plant yakho lekhulako. Lokhu uma le plant noma ngiphi uma seyifika flowering stage kukhulisa le floration letimbali.
Alright.
Kuthi khiphe timbali leti strong naletinemandla so that kutowakheka lokudla loku strong. Let me put it that way. Kuko konke lokuflowerishako. Kanti nalolo ngaflowerish you can still spray this one because lawa I can assure you nalawa kwekuthi because of the experience I have with them kwekuthi even the shelf life yalabo bomake labathengisa ema veg le vibrancy yale vegetable noma le fruit le endiwe ngaloko i-shelf life yakhona iba more than le synthetic fertilizer. nale taste here in particular,
Yeah.
flavor yale crop iba mnanzi kakhulu, nalesilwane lesento ngalo lokho nje ramthuthu kuyishale inyama ibiyele kunayinyama yithi ngokutesinto. Yes.
Okay, I think sengibutele omunye umbuto lo double khunyana ke njengoba I think you have said ukuthi most of your products are sourced from Europe, as far as Spain for instance, khashana mhlambe now as an entrepreneur it could be an issue ukuthi you are sourcing your products far away. Is there a way to find possibly the formula of how this is made and try to localize it so that you make your own, you constitute your own kind of product, organic fertilizer locally, so that you don't rely on too much of a foreign supply?
Well, hopefully as umuntu asebenda one is dreaming, you know, to get there.
Yeah.
But lokho bekutawudinga equipment which is very expensive. However, it can be done. Sekungaba kwekuthi negotiating with labanikati bale product, you know, ukuthola kahle yonke le formula.
Yeah.
Yalo kwakha le fertilizer. I'm aware ikhona icompany nje lengeke ngisho ngeligama lefuna kutowenda iplant yema organic fertilizers locally.
Okay.
Sengisonzele nje kubo kancane kwekuthi immediately bachamuka I could be one of their major distributors because I already understand the concept. Actually, for your own information, I'm no more a kid, but angakhuli kangako. However, I am a pioneer kulama organic liquid fertilizers, particularly with your small scale farmers. I can say that with confidence.
Sure.
Hulumende, uma ka agriculture nje nawukhuluma nge liquid fertilizer, bathi Sydney kuneyo.
Yes.
The others have come, they are my competitors, I work with them, siyabambisana nabo. Nakuphelile ngakimi, I show them hambani kuphi kuphi ndayithola le product, kulawo ma products leswasherisha nabo lalabanye, lababoza kwethu kule industry yaka farm inputs.
Yeah. Asesibele kuleli hectare lethu. Nayi sikhulumile nga 4 to 6 where 2, 3, 2, 37
and 40,
or even 40. And then you were saying, I think ngikhathile lana wathi kusebenta maybe 2 or 3 in a hectare.
2, yeah.
2. Yes. So it's about, you need 4.
You need 4 of those.
Per hectare.
Yeah.
Would you mind to share, could see what's the cost of
currently it cost yala it's 420 nalo lombovu.
Okay.
Yeah, it's 420.
All right.
So now kuluma 2, you are saying 840.
Okay.
1 point something.
Yeah. All right.
It's still cheap.
No, it is. It is. Siyamat manyolo kusomali. So.
But
so it is,
for those crops that's kufaka makhabeni, you would still need makhabeni.
Oh,
yes.
Njengembila.
Yeah, angithi nje lama letilimo letine magcele letinge magcembe kakhulu ukuthi abe mahle njengembila njengemakhabishi, all those leafy vegetables. Kuyadzinga lokho ukuthi umuthi kancane makhabeni.
No makhabeni.
Yeah.
Okay. Yes. No, kuyevakala Mr. Gnene. I think inzaba ma organic inputs is on its way, because I think you've talked about most people are now health conscious. Yes. We are conscious about what we eat because we know over the years maybe people did not know why they were becoming sick, but almost the information is out there now. People are now careful to pick what they eat. So one would then want to find out, would see how big is the farming community that we are talking about that is doing organic farming, and now are we able to then promote these products in the retail space as coming from organic farmers?
Actually, if ubuka nje South Africa already kunema associations
Okay.
kune association ye organic farming which is very big. I-organic farming idzinga very stringent practices. Ungacali kuyenda kumele angibekise nje South Africa. Kuta vele lalabanale expertise yekuhlola umhlabathi ukuthi la utawuhlanyela khona lesilimo sakho lo tasidefine as being organic. Umhlabathi clean from chemicals or any pollution that will end up polluting le produce yakho lofuna kuyikhipha lapho.
Yeah.
Emanti lonisela ngawo bawahlole. Even nemoya kuleyo ndzawo leyo tinto lefana naleto tiyabukwa and it takes years solo bakuchecka kwekuthi kuze kufike esigabeni where they can certify kwekuthi le produce is purely organic. Nyalo siyayisisho nje ukuthi tinto ti organic ngoba sidilime ngemcuba mhlawumbe sidilime ngecompost or any rotting organic material bese sithi organic. It goes further than that. Uyawuchecka lo mhlabathi, check emanti ekunisela, check equipment, konke nebantu labafika lapha ensimini ukuthi abeti nema pollutants latabe sekangcolisa le produce. So it's a very stringent and it demands a lot of cleansing organic farming. Kubo EU it has taken off. And the produce leyo, I can tell you now, Mr. Mngadi, it's very expensive.
Yeah.
Both vegetables, fruits, and meats, they're expensive because they're very stringent. You produce a true organic produce.
Yeah, I think what you've said is interesting because now available investment that is required for you to get the right inputs and the right product out there. Then angeke sakusida lokuthi bese nawe uphinde supplier the same value chains. For instance, ufuna ukuthi le value chain ihluke le organic. I think maybe some of those things that possibly are still yet to see.
Yes.
In the market. Maybe just sese lapho sengaba kubuta lokho nje Mr. Glenn ukuthi what's the future of organic farming in this country from your perspective?
Hearing from what consumers are saying, ngoba labanye bakumistake nema GMOs lo. These are not GMOs. These are organic farm inputs. They are purely natural with ema chemicals.
Yes.
Ngoba na ukhuluma ngabo GMO so ukhuluma ngalenye concept.
It's enhanced through chemicals anyway.
Absolutely. So if future is there because lesikhathi lesiphila kuto Mr. Mngadi ti very stressful. And kudla kahle is very key.
Yeah.
So bakhona vele it's a growing population kangangokuba bo-Woolworths lapha nje eGable there was a time lapho Woolworths had a lot of organic produce.
Okay.
Senginemalanga nangigcinile kuhlola angathi right now. But in South Africa vele Woolworths is one of the shops la nawufuna ema organic foods.
Okay.
You go there and you buy at a very premium price.
Yeah. So that's where we're going, and people will know.
Hopefully, that's where we are going. More so because the younger crop of farmers.
Yeah.
Igenge lephuma lapha bo UNESCO nale train bo South Africa. Now we are seeing some young people who are really getting into farming. They are interested in these products and they use them.
Yeah.
Sengilala badzala labasa basakuzama nje kodwa nje bete kahle le vision ye benefit yako lo.
Yeah, bengithi ngisabuta lokho nje ukuthi how big is this community of organic farmers?
Pardon?
How big is this community of organic farmers in this country?
It's growing. It's been small, but over the years ngiyabona lokho ukuthi it's really growing.
Yeah.
I must say ukuthi lapha ngoba le product when it came into the country, this one, it was brought in by a company called Dynafarm.
Yeah, ngikhumbula Dynafarm. Yeah.
Mina nje I saw it with Dynafarm, and the only way of accessing it with Dynafarm was to join. So I joined and I got access to this product. Unfortunately, ngoba Dynafarm uqale nga 2012 if I'm not mistaken. Kwathi ngabo 2018 we had I was one of the people assisting Dynafarm company locally to get these registered with the Ministry of Agriculture. So these are already registered, by the way.
Okay.
Yeah, these are still working on them, and these others they are still processing Basente Machai
registration. Okay.
Yes, registration.
Okay.
So between 2012 and 2019, after COVID,
yeah,
people were buying it like you couldn't believe it. Actually, I was moving a lot of stock. Le DI Grow, which is this green one and the red one. Yafika i-COVID. Nayifika i-COVID, kwabonakala ukuthi abasakhona ukusupply. Lawa nje mina I got them through Dynafarm but from Zambia.
Stagnant. I think it's been a long journey for organic farming, and it looks like it's still going to be a journey even going forward.
Yeah.
And but we do appreciate nina lesinibita ngamahlahlandlela kusikhombiseni indlela lengcono yokwenta tintfo, in particular ngala ka farming, because I believe we do farming for the benefit of bantfu, ukuthi one badle babe nourished, yes. But also baphile esikhathi lesithe. So I think that has been our interest in the story of organic farming, ukuthi vele silive sithatha serious kangakanani, and who could we ask other than the man himself. So siyabonga kakhulu le sikhathi sakho kusixoxisa ngalo msebenzi lo wendako ka Agric Organics, isitolo lesitholakala la kaManzini, and mhlambe songasho nje magama okugcina nawe Agric Organics ukuthi ama farmers I think boko wasihlaba hlosi ukuthi nakukhona lo ufuna kwadi ngale ndawo zini le ndlela yokulima bangakuthola kanjani.
Okay. Thank you, Mr. Mngadi. Siyabonga kakhulu ukuthi nizivakashele. More so because farmers vele individually bayabuta ngalama products. I think this is a good forum ukuthi umuntu akhone ukuchaza ngconywana even than now khuluma nemuntu munye ngelicingo. Here we are able to reach quite a number of farmers. We really appreciate that. Yes, farmers, angicale ngekubonga i-Ministry of Agriculture. Very receptive to such innovations, and emashowini bayasibambisa ma-agricultural shows, nasemihlanganweni yebalimi bayasimema some of the extension workers, ikakhulu labo laseba-aware ngalama products lasekavele abe tried out abonakala ukuthi ministry seba acceptile seyasebenza ngokusemthethweni. They invite us to their meetings where we promote the product, we explain how farmers can use the products, and siya appreciate lokho nabo balimi sicela nje ukubanika dolo kucina ukuthi lama products they are very safe to use, and we have all the information on how to use these products. Sekuthi nje balimi bake bakubute nange organic fertilizer longayadi. Yeyi ngisebenzisa njani organic fertilizer lengasiwo kule line lengithengisako. Kube unfortunate ke ngeke ngiba advise nje ukuthi ababuyelele esitolo hayi kabi le labathenge khona bawuthola information ngoba ngeke ngichaze iproduct lengayadi and angifuni kubafaka emenene ngeproduct lengayadi. Yes.
Siyabonga Mr. Kunene.
Thank you so much, Mr. Ngadi. Thank you.
Mbukeli, I think sesivele sonke ukuthi nawe sikhuluma nge-organic farming esikhuluma ngani. Siyathemba nidasijoyina futhi kulelunye lihlelo lapho sitha khona umlimi ukuthi acondzisise kahle ngelwati futhi lolufanele tindlela tokulima letinsha netindlela tilima letifanele lefana sisebenzise. Siyabonga kakhulu.